How's everybody doing today? My name is Dominic and I'm reporting at you live. We're going to be having another very important business meeting today. Always remember throughout this business meeting that I'm not a financial advisor. This video is made for entertainment purposes only. What we do around here, we come here, we have a business meeting. The ultimate goal for the business meeting is to get rich. So go ahead, hit that like, subscribe, notification bell, do all that in the comments down below. Let me know what you think about the stock we're talking about today, which is none other than Pioneer Power Solutions, ticker symbol PPSI. Today we're going to be talking about a pilot study program on their eBoost EV chargers for one of the nation's largest retailing companies. If you ask me, they haven't revealed the name of the customer yet. But if you ask me, I think it's Amazon. And if it's Amazon, the stock is going to skyrocket to the moon. Because what's happening right now is the mystery retailer is testing out their eBoost EV chargers for a few months, and if they work good, which obviously they do, they're gonna deploy them at every single depot, warehouse, whatever the hell you want to call it, in the nation. So let's go ahead, share the news, share the screen. We're gonna go ahead and take a look over at the news right now. Show you exactly what we're talking about. But first, let's take a look over at the company website. If you don't know anything about the eBoost EV charging business, the name of this website is called pioneeremobility.com. So go ahead and take a look over at it for yourself. But they got 6 different models of the eBoost EV chargers right now. eBoost Mini, the eBoost generator on a truck, eBoost Mobile, eBoost Pod, eBoost Zeb, and Exelker. And the home, they're going to be entering the home EV charging market this year in 2025. Okay, so that's the home eBoost model right here. So let's take a look. They're going to be launching this model in 2025. Okay, so I'm reporting at you live on January 4th, 2025. Happy New Year. But let's go ahead and take a look over at the news from the retailer. So Pioneer Power awarded pilot project from a Fortune 100 e-commerce retailer. eBoost was selected for EV charging to support a global retailer's delivery operations. Okay. Um, so it says today they announced this was announced on December 3rd, 2024, and the reason why I've been waiting to make this video is because this company is testing out their EV chargers for a few months. Okay, so this was announced on December 3rd of 2024, exactly 1 month ago. Okay, so I'm reporting at you live on January 4th of 2025. Okay, so let's see what they had to say. Today they announced a groundbreaking pilot program with a Fortune 100 e-commerce retailer to specifically tackle the grid gap challenge between the increasing power needs of its electrical delivery fleet and the limited amount of grid supplied power at its depots. As part of the pilot program, the company will provide multiple eBoost mobile charging units and will also service and monitor the units for several months for a simple all-inclusive monthly fee. This innovative will deploy Pioneer's eBoost mobile EV charging solutions at one of the retailer's major last mile delivery depots in the Midwest, addressing its critical challenge of fast charging and an increasing number of electrical vans and trucks while balancing limited power delivery from major utilities. Providing a scalable, power dense, and sustainable solution, Pioneer aims to enable the widespread adoption of EVs and last mile delivery fleets nationwide. The pilot's primary objective is to gather data on the practicality and effectiveness of eBoost mobiles in supporting the increasing EV charging demands. The e-commerce retailer plans to analyze enough data to substantiate deploying more eBoost solutions in all of the major metros that it serves. This collaboration is expected to form a integral part of the retailer's plan to address its growing charging needs at last mile delivery depots across the United States. Nathan Mazurek, the chairman and CEO of Pioneer Power Solutions, had to say, this pilot project showcases our commitment to innovation and sustainability in last mile delivery sector. By building off of this initiative, we aim to continue pushing the boundaries of what is possible in carbon-free truck and van adoption while expanding our eBoost platform and providing new near zero carbon charging solutions. Okay, so and then the president of Pioneer eMobility had to say, eBoost is driving the transition to a net zero future with our sustainable low carbon propane powered EV charging solutions. We're delighted to work with this leading global e-commerce retailer on this innovative pilot project. While scaled successfully, this could provide new ways for the retailer to rapidly advance sustainability for the fleet management companies it works with. Okay, so you guys, if this is with Amazon, the stock is going to go to the moon. So let's go ahead and take a look over at the stock. Right now, it's trading at $4.17. If you've been a loyal shareholder of this company, they are going to be paying out the dividend. They're paying out $1.50 dividend this week. Okay, on January 7th. Today it's January 4th, so we're going to be getting paid this week if you've been a loyal shareholder. So go ahead, hit that like, subscribe. Leave a damn comment. $1.50 per share dividend is incredible. Special dividend. Um, but as you can see, it went down on the announcement of the dividend because they're paying out roughly a little bit over $16 million for that special dividend. So it went down. It was trading at around $6 to $7, and then it went back down to $4. But you know that project we just talked about. If it's with Amazon, the stock is going to go to the moon. And this stock has a low float. I think the float on the stock is roughly 8 million shares or something like that. And as you can see, just it has crazy, crazy market moves um, in the past. And with these eBoost EV chargers, there's a higher ceiling. The CEO even said himself that's why they sold off the other business that they had. The eBoost EV chargers has a higher ceiling for growth. It's going to be growing like crazy. Okay, they're going to be going ham on the eBoost EV chargers. Okay, but the stock is going to go to the moon. All right. And if we go ahead and zoom in and show you the support lines here, right here it's at around $3.40, as you can see on that bottom of that red candle right there. $3.40. So just watch these lines, watch these price points. You got the $3.50, $3.40, $3.50 here, where it bounced off last time, when it was down like this. And if we go ahead and take a look over at it when it was down here back in 2023, um, the lowest this stock was back then was around $2.30. So we need to watch those two price points here if we're seeing some bearish trends. But then that would just be a buying opportunity for me, honestly. I'm a long-term shareholder in this company. But just showing you guys what to look for if you're new to the stock. As you can see here, we get a range from that $3.40 to $3.50 back up to this. It's around $7. Let's say between $6 and $7 on this range right here. So we could fill that gap if we get some good news. We could fill that gap, possibly break through. But I do think that we're going to need a lot of that Amazon. If it's Amazon with that retailer, the stock is going to go to the moon. And leave a comment down below of who you think that pilot project is with. I think it's with Amazon, but I'd love to hear your thoughts. Put it in the comments down below. And always remember that the ultimate goal for the YouTube channel is to get rich, and that's how we do it around here. The ultimate goal for the YouTube channel is to get rich.